What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are still not in the truck yet. It's been about a week since my last video, and I wanted to give you guys a little update. So what we ended up doing was, instead of being stuck in a hotel room for like Wednesday to Wednesday, the next day my dispatcher, he was like, well, he gave me options. He was like, well, we can either, have you sit in a room for however long this takes to get it repaired, or we can get you a rental and you can go home. And I was like, well, if you're giving me the option, I'm going home, obviously. The only thing is that I'm here, just outside of St. Louis in Collinsville, and my home is in eastern Pennsylvania, so I had to drive 14 hours to get back home. Wasn't ideal, but being in this industry, I'm kind of conditioned to that, so it was a stretch. It was like 890 miles one way, but we got it done. I got to go home for a couple days, and now it's Tuesday of the next week. Just an update on the truck. Like we said, we discussed it a little bit in the last video. There was an issue with the throttle pedal, and I guess they addressed it. From what I'm told, they replaced the ECM, which is a little questionable to me, but that's not for me to decide. I'm just a driver. It just seems a little odd if it was just like an electrical component and they just decided to replace the entire ECM. I don't know what's all involved. I'm not familiar with big trucks, but whatever. So yeah, we're here in a hotel room. We're gonna get some rest. Then be ready to go first thing tomorrow morning after breakfast. So yeah, got a nice little Nissan there. It's pretty fuel efficient. Shouts out to Keith over at Hertz in O'Fallon. He's a cool guy and easy to deal with. Yeah, he got us hooked up there. I'll be returning the car tomorrow morning, and then from the Hertz place that I'll drop the car off at, Sweet is gonna lift me from there to the Kenworth dealer, and hopefully it'll be ready to go. I guess they're working on it this evening. They got diagnosed and they were gonna be working on it this evening, so should be ready to go. I got another lock. I talked about it in the last video, how my last lock went missing. This is another master lock. It's a weatherproof one. It's got like the rubber coating on the outside. It's got the carbide parts on it. It's all alloy. It's real nice, super strong. Got this little flap here at the bottom to cover the keyhole. It's weatherproof. Got 2 sets of keys with it, so always a good investment to have, just as an added extra layer of security. So we'll be using that as soon as we get going again with the truck. And yeah, so that's really about it. I just got in, just dropped my stuff, and figured to make a little update for it. So I'll start the next video. But yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'm gonna chill out, watch a little TV, and get ready for bed, and enjoy this nice room. Actually, I'll show you the room real quick since I got y'all. It's kind of like a two-part. It's like kind of split in half. It's a little bit different. It's actually at the same exact hotel that I was at, last time, but in a different room. But still, Sweet takes care of you. If you have to, unfortunately, get stuck in a hotel room, you're not in no roach dump. This is a nice place, so all the facilities. So I'm glad that they take care of us. And you already know we got the AC going on in here. Get it nice and cool for optimal sleeping temperatures. And yeah, we will go from there. Anyways, I'm gonna relax. I drove like 900 miles today, so I'm pretty tired. But we can relax, watch a little TV, and we'll check back in with y'all tomorrow. So, what's going on, guys? As you can see, we are back in the truck finally. Got the truck picked up today. Excuse me one second. Got the truck picked up today. It actually took a lot longer than we thought it was going to, but that's all right. At least it was done right, done correct. Seems to be running fine. I'm actually right now, I'm in the Loves at Decatur, Illinois. I'm right outside of Decatur, Illinois, if I'm not in it right now. Got a pickup scheduled for tomorrow going to New Jersey for Monday, so that'll take us home for the weekend, back home for the weekend, and yeah, we'll deliver that first thing on Monday into Edison. But yeah, the truck seems to be working well. Got it fixed up, got it repaired, and then I actually took it for a little test drive just to make sure it was all right before I drove it 100 miles up here to where I'm at now, and to get back going east. So I took it for a little spin, and those Illinois back roads, they were kind of, there's no around the block, so kind of went out for like 10 miles instead of around the block, but it's fine, it worked out all right. Yeah, so we're happy to be back. Everything's going well so far. Knock on dash. Hopefully we'll be running without any hiccups or issues the rest of the way back. But yeah, we're excited. It seems like we were just been kind of in like a weird in-between stage for like the past week, but you know, with repairs like that, it takes a while. So Sweet took care of us. Again, we got that rental car we got back home last weekend. You know, they got us that hotel room that first night and last night, so took care of us there, got a nice breakfast and stuff. Feel like I'm ready to get back to work. Sorry, I'm kind of watching guys parking the trucks up. It's a little distracting. Always got to be aware of your surroundings in case people pull out in the middle of the night and, you know, something's missing the next day. But anyway, so yeah, everything's going good, going well. Watching these people in front of me, a little sus. That's whatever though. This guy's having a really hard time parking. I'm not gonna blow his spot up like that though. I'm not gonna show him here, but anyway. So yeah, that's about it. Swept the trailer out. It's a food grade load. I believe it's like spices or ingredients or something. You know, obviously non-perishable. We got a dry van back here. Sweep it out. Got it swept out. I'm ready to go for my pickup tomorrow. I've actually been to this place already. The other thing that kind of sucks is my appointment is for 1 p.m. I was hoping it would be like first thing in the morning so I can get loaded and, you know, have a majority of the day be driving back towards the east. But it is what it is. See if we can sneak in there a little bit earlier. I don't remember. They were very particular about your trailer being swept out. That's why I did that already. It's good to go. It's ready to go. Again, it's food grade. Excuse me. No holes in the floor or the ceilings or anything like that. The walls gotta be clean, swept out. No debris, nothing like that. So good to go there. I have a feeling we're gonna be waiting around tomorrow. Something tells me, I got an inkling it gets like that in trucking, but go to some of these places. Well, they're sliding tandems. I see she's being a spotter for them. Gotta get that tool like I got, dude. Which is somewhere back there. I can't reach it with my hand. Yeah, we just got it down here. So yeah, that's about it. I got a shower this morning, but because I'm out of Love's, I might as well just get a free shower. Haven't decided yet. Definitely gonna get something to eat. I'm hungry. I don't know if the stuff in my refrigerator is any good or not. I think I got a couple wraps in there and some fresh fruit and stuff, but I haven't even looked at it yet, to be honest. It just kind of just kept going. So let's see what's going on with that. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah, we'll talk to you tomorrow in the morning and give you an update, see where we're at. So till then. All right, it's the next day. We have arrived at our shipper. We have gotten checked in and backed in. Tandem slid, red airline disconnected. It's still here in Decatur, Illinois. It's delivering Monday morning into Edison, New Jersey. But we're taking this load home, and then we'll be there right out in Bushy Tail for our load appointment on Monday into Edison. After that, I just called the shop to get my APU repaired because there's something going on with it, but wasn't an issue. Usually just call the shop, let them know what's going on. They find you an appointment, they get it fixed. Never an issue here. Sweet. Gotta love that. If there's an issue with it, you call them, they'll get it repaired. No big deal. And then I'm assuming, I don't know, we'll see how that pans out. Might get a load that day, might not. See how long the repair takes or how involved it is, but so yeah, it is about 10:40 or so Central Time, so 11:40 Eastern Time. We have to go back east, so we'll lose an hour heading back, but about to get back home about 12 hours from here, so hopefully we get loaded. Excuse me, we get loaded here quick and get to getting. Got plenty of road ahead of us. We have a full clock, so see how it goes. But yeah, that's about it. We'll check back in when we get some more info here, when we know more. So all right, y'all, we are finally homebound. Got out of there, got loaded. I had to go stop and get the load scale because it was just so dang heavy. It was like 43.7. And there was actually an issue with the paperwork where it said bill to and ship to was the same address, but obviously we were not going to that address, so I had to call Tim. He had to get with the broker and confirm that everything was correct. Oh my god, this thing is so loud. He had to get with everything, make sure everything was going to the right place and everything, but we got the A-OK, got our scale ticket, and we are good to go. So about 12 hours till we get back home, deliver this first thing on Monday, and then from there we go to get our APU fixed. So all right. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. We are here at the Loves in Richmond, Indiana, basically on the Ohio-Indiana border, making our way back home. We got about 8.5 hours to get there. Forgot to shoot a clip last night, forgive me. But yeah, that's about it. Posted a different video to the channel last night, so I was kind of working on that and getting things going with that and some other things. So yeah, today is just about getting home. Monday we make our delivery, and then yeah, after that we go for our APU appointment at 1 p.m. so excited about that, get that rolling, and yeah, that's about it. So we'll talk a little bit later. Oh, fucking scales are open. Oh, you've seen this border before, sorry. All right, y'all, we have arrived at the Loves in Alliance, Ohio. We just got a little bit of fuel to make sure we get home and stuff. I was getting a little low, didn't fill it because we're heavy, but got a good amount, got 100 gallons or so. So yeah, we're gonna do our 30-minute break while we're here because we're already 10 minutes into it, and then we'll finish the rest of the trip. We got about 5 hours left to roll, and that'll do it for this Friday. So yeah, we'll do that. I'll get a little something to eat, and then I'll talk to you a little later, probably when we get back to the car. So till then. Y'all, we just got back to the muddy dirt mud hole parking lot. There's the car. I'm tired. It's been a day and a half. So we're gonna gather our stuff, pull the car out, put the truck in, do our post trip, and get the hell home. It's time for a nice beverage, a nice stout adult beverage. And so yeah, that'll do it for the end of this video. If you made it this far along, give me a like, thumbs up, drop a comment below if you want to tell me about certain aspects of the video that you would like changed different or want to hear about. Drop a comment down below if you want to tell me what color socks you're wearing. And yeah, that'll do it. So till next time, peace.